Hey guys, Logan from West Bend Dyno here. So we have this 392 Final Edition Wrangler here. We're going to be putting a Whipple supercharger on it, trying to make some good power gains for the customer. Now, this truck already has a cold air intake from AFE on it, as well as an AFE scorcher module and some aftermarket exhaust. So that upped the power a little bit from stock, but we expect to see some serious gains from the Whipple supercharger. So follow along with our build and we'll show you what it does. Alright, so we had this Jeep 392 in for a Whipple supercharger upgrade. We baselined the vehicle at 344 wheel horsepower and 360 foot-pounds of torque. We actually gained 139 horsepower to the tire and 79 foot-pounds of torque, which is really good gains for this Whipple upgrade. The supercharger install itself went fairly smoothly. Just a few little hiccups getting things fit right and adjusted right to fit under the hood because it's kind of a tight package in that Jeep. And we ended up making some tuning revisions with the help of Whipple to get a little more efficiency and power out of this thing. But overall, awesome install, super straightforward. And if you guys want a supercharger for yourself, look on westbenddyno.com. We have stage packages where we actually pick out the recommended supporting mods for your vehicle and give you the whole package as one. And if you can't quite afford the big number all at once, check out Affirm Financing on our website. You can pay a little bit at a time and get your supercharger on your car and go have fun with it. And always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.